Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's video, just having a quick look. We have had the snow overnight as predicted. We had around about, I'd say 2 to 3 inches of snow. Very, very wet snow as well, so very, very heavy. It has now melted quite a bit as we've gone up to around about the kind of 10 degrees C. So quite a drastic change in temperature within the space of about 24 hours. One thing I have done, guys, is to make sure that going around and trying to knock off any snow that might be sitting on the leaves of palms and things like that, as with it being such heavy wet snow that can kind of bend over the leaves and can cause some sort of damage here, but as it's melting quick, there's not a huge concern as it's not going to be stuck here on the leaves for sort of days on end at the moment. We are set to go back down in temperature again in the next couple days, so I'm going to be leaving all my sort of protections on for the meantime. One thing you may notice, guys, on things like your palms and other things, that the leaves may go a bit darker when it is cold. Now, this is a natural response from the plant, really just conserving all of its kind of moisture down into the root system. They generally will kind of perk back up, once the cold weather has passed. You can just see here, guys, on the bamboo, it's quite heavily leant over here. On the pond, we did get a little bit of sort of ice and snow, which you can just see the kind of remains of here. But again, other than that, it hasn't really done too much. I don't think we were at cold enough temperatures for long enough here. Just coming towards the back, guys, you can just see quite a bit of snow still left on the putting green and the mini golf back here. Again, this is all expected to melt within the next few days here, within the next sort of 24 hours, so not huge concerns on that. And as you can see off the back here, guys, everything's still protected. Again, really just going to keep an eye on the weather, just make sure that if I do need to fleece anything else, if we get really cold, I certainly will do. But in the meantime, of course, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.